Good morning, children. Today is Monday. So we have returned back here with our classes on MCB. Now today in our class, we will be doing our fourth chapter in MCB, that is Mother. Now let me tell you all that this poem Mother was written by APJ Abdul Kalam. He is a very well-known person. You all know about him. Now I just want to tell you all in brief about APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was born on October 15, 1931 at Rameshwaram in India. We are very sadful that he died on July 27, 2015 in Shillong. He was an Indian scientist, a politician, and he played a very important role. He played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapon programs. He was also the President of India from 2002 to 2007. So this is in brief about APJ Abdul Kalam. Now let me tell you all about this poem Mother. This poem was written by APJ Abdul Kalam one evening in a moonlit night when he remembered about his mother. Since it was Mother's Day yesterday, so I thought of teaching you all this poem today. It's a very special one. Now you know APJ Abdul Kalam belonged to a very poor family. The earnings of his family was not enough for them to lead a very happy life, to lead a very fulfilled life. Now the small boy, when he was only 10 years old, reading in class 5, he used to run about in the streets of Rameshwaram distributing newspapers. And he used to return back home in the evening at 8 o'clock, and when he used to return back, he was very tired and his feet and hands used to ache, since he used to move about the whole morning distributing newspapers, and then he used to attend his school. And after that, in the evening, he used to move about in the streets again, collecting the amount of money which he is supposed to get, and he used to return back with that amount to his family. So being such a small boy, he used to work for his family. We all feel very sad when we think about him working in this manner. So this poem today is a tribute to our Mother's Day. Okay, so you all are going to recite this poem today. As I say, all I am reciting it for you all. You all are going to recite it today and send it to me in your WhatsApp. Okay. So first you all listen to the poem here. Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. I still remember the day when I was 10, sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. It was a full moon night. My world, only you knew, mother, my mother. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee, you knew the pain of your child, my mother. Your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength to face the world without fear, and with His strength we'll meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. So this is the poem, my dear students. You all are going to recite and send it to me in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Now let me explain you all the first 4 lines of this chapter. I still remember the day when I was 10. So he still remembers the time when he was 10 years old and he was in class 5. He used to roam about the streets of Rameshwaram, I said y'all, distributing newspapers. So when he returned back in the evening, he remembered his mother when he slept on his mother's lap. Sleeping on your lap, to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. So when he slept on his mother's lap, his elder brothers and sisters were jealous of him because they thought that their mother, they love APJ Abdul Kalam more. But that was not so. Mother was also sad because of the hardship which this little child used to bear due to their family. The third line, it was a full moon night. My world, only you knew, mother. My mother. So what night was it? It was a full moon night. And he was totally exhausted returning back home. And they did not even have enough amount of food for them. His mother, she used to keep that little amount of food which they had for the whole day for him. He used to return back home, have that food, and they used to learn with kerosene lamps. And his mother, she used to keep a little amount of oil for him, specially because APJ Abdul Kalam used to learn till 11 o'clock at night. And at their home, the night lamps, they used to kindle only till 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, all the other lamps would be struck off. Only Kalam's lamp, which his mother specially gave him, that was kindled, and he used to do his lessons there. So this was the condition how he grew up. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee. It was midnight and he woke up and he found that there were tears falling on his knee. Why? Because of the extreme pain in his hand and feet. And then he found that his mother was stroking him all over. His mother was the only strength. He got his strength to move out the next day, distributing all those newspapers and all from his mother. So the fifth line there, you knew the pain of your child, my mother. So this much for today. Please recite it and send it to me. There's no other written homework today, only this. But I still tell you all, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. We will be doing, we will be doing reference to context 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And 5 also. So we'll be doing it tomorrow. And I just want to discuss with you all question number 1 here. Answer these questions. Who is the speaker in this poem? The speaker here is APJ Abdul Kalam himself. What sort of images does the poem evoke in his mind? What sort of images comes up to his mind? The images of his mother waiting for him in the evening. The images of he himself running about in the streets of Rameshwaram distributing newspapers. The images of the whole night when he used to suffer from his pain and his mother used to stroke him all over, removing the pain from his feet. So this was the image which he remembers when he remembers about his childhood. What memory does the speaker have from his childhood? His memory which he has is the kindness and the help which he got from his mother. Okay. And how did the speaker's mother take care of him? She used to provide him food. That amount of food which they used to have for the whole day, his mother used to keep it aside for him. And when he returned back home, she used to give her that little amount of kerosene oil which he used to keep aside for him since he does his studies at night. So these are the little bit of extra care which he remembers when he speaks about his mother. Okay children, this much for today. We'll be taking up with the lesson again tomorrow. I'll explain it all again tomorrow and we'll be doing the reference to the context. Thank you children.